So when you're looking at your tax return, there are three things that you need to look at. You need to look at your deductions, exemptions, and your credits. And just as a bottom line, your deductions and your exemptions are going to reduce your taxable income. And then your credits are going to reduce your tax liability. So, for instance, on the deduction side of the house, you're going to have your standard deduction, which every year goes up a little bit based on inflation and so forth. You also have the ability to itemize your deductions. If your deductible expenses are higher than the standard deduction, which is not applicable to the vast majority of taxpayers, then it makes sense for you to itemize your deductions and then get a higher deduction for that. Your exemptions are things that under the law you're exempt from paying taxes on. So that's something that comes in handy as well. And then your credits, as opposed to deductions and exemptions, they don't reduce your taxable income. What they do reduce is your tax liability, which in many ways I would argue it's a lot better than getting a reduction in your taxable income. But if you can make it to work hand in hand, then it's a win-win for you and for your family as well. So that's something that's very important. We look at that very closely because we wanted to make certain that we can enhance and maximize all of your legal tax deductions that you have coming to you. And that we can also provide you with all the credits. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about some of the incentivized credits that the government is giving each and every American in order to produce a certain outcome. So pay attention to that. If you have any questions going through your tax returns, or if you want an audit of an existing tax return that you have conducted, please feel free to reach out. My name is Bert Salazar, and you can call me at area code 888-477-0108, or you can send me an email at Bert, B-E-R-T, at gablestaxgroup.com, and I'll be more than happy to schedule a quick call with you and determine whether we can help you or not. So thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.